How to plant lettuce in polybags as ornamental plants for beginners. Lettuce Lactuca sativa plant or vegetable which is native to the valley of the eastern part of the Mediterranean Sea. Lettuce in planting in temperate climates as well as the region has a tropical climate. Now many people are starting to do this good lettuce cultivation for consumption or sale, due to the great demand of society as lettuce fresh vegetables. In addition to the cultivated on land, many people who are cultivating lettuce in pots or polybag planting. Here's how the cultivation of lettuce in a polybag or pots for planting. A. Preparation of seeds and seeding of lettuce seeds. Lettuce seed for cultivation can instill in you get at a nearby farm shop in your city. After you get the next seed seeding seeds do. Media for the media being used is for a moist soil mix and can be either manure or compost with soil mixed with a comparison of 2 to -1. After the seeds in for, cover for media with a mulch of straw, sacks, or banana leaves for media in order to remain moist. Make sure the media for moist, dry immediately if start flush with the way hosed. After 3 to 4 days is usually the seed germinates and had already begun. When the seed has had the leaves you can throw the cover or get rid of mulch that you provide. Do watering regularly each day by way of subtly so that spray the seedlings are not damaged. Let the seeds grow on media semia up to 17 days. Other than on land, seeding of lettuce can be done using a tray for tall seed tray and keep using the same media that is a mixture of soil by manure or compost with soil mix. B. Planting seedlings of lettuce in a polybag or pots for planting. After the seeds of lettuce are about 17 days or have had 4 to 5 strands of leaves, you can move the seedlings to plant in a pot. Because if the plant lettuce seedlings are moved too old or too young will have a not so optimal productivity. But first you must make the pot or polybag planting appropriate size needed and had made a few holes in the bottom and the edge with the media his planting. Planting medium used campura soil, manure and rice husks also comparison with 2 to 1-1 or a mixture of soil, manure and sand in comparison with 2 to 1-1. If the media is ready then immediately cropping inputs in a polybag or pots that have been prepared and immediately do planting carefully lest the roots of seedlings of lettuce is broken. After planting is complete you can move the polybag or pots for planting that had been planted with cress on place that gets full matawari rays or it could be you are using in order to plant floor shelves neatly to success. C. Watering lettuce plants. Lettuce grown in pots or polybag require relatively frequent watering so that when on dry weather then watering done routinely by as much as 3 times a day during the morning, an afternoon lunch or at least doing 2 times a day that is on the morning and afternoon. But when in rainy season, you don't need to do any watering but you need to control your plants don't get inundated because when inundated rotten lettuce can cause even death. D. Plant fertilizing lettuce. Fertilizing lettuce is very lightweight because it does not require chemical fertilizers at all, just need to do pairona on a regular basis with former water submersion manure i.e. every 10 days, however it is recommended 5 days prior berry water marinade fertilizer with liquid organic fertilizer. E. Crop harvesting lettuce. Starting lettuce can be harvested after about 40 days until 2 months after moving. How harvesting can be done in a way with to root or can also be by cutting him at the base of the stem. So the discussion about complete guide how to plant lettuce in polybag as an ornamental plant for beginners may be useful for all of us and follow our next posts just on the seal ornamental plants and hydroponics. See you and thank you for visiting.